What up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now what I want to do in this video is to show you how to earn huge APY on crypto.com DeFi wallets. Now I'm talking about up to 16% APY. So if this sounds interesting to you, then let's get to it. So what is crypto.com DeFi wallet? Crypto.com DeFi wallet is a non-custodial wallet offered by crypto.com, which is a renowned cryptocurrency exchange that I've talked about a lot in this channel. Now this wallet gives you full access to your crypto private key, just like Trust Wallet. You will have complete ownership of your crypto and you do not need a crypto.com account to store, send and receive crypto. Also, all wallet transactions are processed on-chain and requires network fee for confirmation on the corresponding tokens blockchain. For example, you will need Ethereum to pay network fee to send, swap, deposit ERC20 tokens. So network fees vary based on the blockchain's network traffic. Gratefully, for crypto.com app, you're not charged any network fee to use the app. In case you're new to DeFi and all what I'm talking about, I dropped a link to an explainer video I did on DeFi. Next, I'll talk about the features of this wallet. So pay close attention because this is where I'll mention how to earn huge APY. So the features of crypto.com DeFi wallets include: one is a storage. Now for the storage, it enables you to safely manage all your coins, right? You can store more than 100 coins, including the ERC20 tokens and the BEP20 tokens, and it is continuously being updated with more tokens. The next is a send feature. Using this feature, you can send cryptos across different blockchain. The next is a swap. The swap features enables you to farm and exchange DeFi tokens. You can provide liquidity and share in profits from pool. The next is purchase. This is the latest feature of the app. It enables you to connect your crypto.com app and buy DeFi coins using your debit or credit card. In other words, you can buy crypto with your fiat money. I'm talking about your Naira, your dollar, or your euro. For the browser extension, the wallet also has a Chrome extension that you can use to connect to your desktop dApps and enjoy seamless transaction. The next is the earn feature, and this is where I'll be talking about how you can earn those huge APY. Here, you earn interest on your deposits and you don't even need to lock up your coin. Just leave the crypto there in your wallet and you accrue interest daily. So how do you start earning on crypto.com DeFi wallet? Download the crypto.com DeFi wallet from the App Store or the Play Store. Select your wallet creation method. You can create a new wallet or import an existing wallet, either MetaMask, Ledger, or MyEther wallet, or you connect your crypto.com app. The next is to accept the terms and conditions and privacy notice. Then you set up a 6-digit code as well as enable your biometric authentication and 2FA. Then back up your recovery phrase. Now you're in. Go to the earn features, deposit crypto and start earning. Some of the coins you can earn huge APY on include CRO, which allows you to earn up to 16.02%, Atom is 10.14%, TUSDT is 8.14%, and the rest of them. So, will you download this app, that is the crypto.com DeFi app? If yes, which coin are you going to deposit? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Also give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, don't overthink it, just subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified when I release my next awesome video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.